Do. Ooh, that was my own special effect. What are we doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do spa time for dads. Rob has volunteered his skin, luscious though it may be, to be even more luscious and polished with,
if it's possible.
Fabulous. I don't think it is possible, but we're going to try it because it was either this or Tally, and y'all were kind of mean to Tally, so you should be nice. Next time my brother comes on here, he reads those comments. Be kind. Spread some kindness in the world. And I was really surprised at some of the comments. I like to think that this channel is a very loving, nice place. So I'm always surprised when I hear a group of people really try to gang up on somebody. And I think that that is not at all the spirit of anything I create on here. So let's be kind. And let's try out... I know you're thinking, what could this be? And where does it go, more importantly? That's always the question you should ask when you're at a spa. Don't ask it in a dirty voice though, or you will get banned for life. Lesson learned. Okay, this one is a caffeine solution. Oh, in no ways are any of these spa things sponsored. It is just stuff I have on my cabinet that I love to use. And you put this, you could, but then you puke. You put it underneath your eyes and it helps with bags and dark circles.
I have those.
So I have them in plethora, because you know I haven't slept in like 6 years now. Doing the math. Like 6 years since I've slept. I never really slept well though. I didn't even sleep well as a kid. I always had insomnia. Okay, so take off your glasses. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on you. Okay. Let me show our fabulous biscuits how to dad spa it up, because I figure more than half of you lovely lot are dads that watch this channel, and I thought I wanted to make a fun video that you would enjoy. It would inspire you to do a little bit of self-care that I know so often we get told, oh, self-care is girly. Who would want to do something girly? And there's such a pleasure in taking care of the skin that you're in. You know, so much of what I talk about on Patreon is if you want to do emotional self-care, you've got to do physical self-care, right? And you gotta kind of let go of that idea that it's a girly thing to do to take care of your body and to love and respect your skin, because we all only have this one body we got going, right? So watching Altered Carbon, we do not have cloning yet. We've got to take care of our skin. Boy, you really see how much more tan than me. And like,
so this is supposed to get rid of the bags?
So this reduces the bags and dark circles. It immediately is supposed to reduce a little bit of bags, and then over time it is supposed to lessen dark circles. I have not seen that it does that.
Yeah, do you think it does, or is it?
I think it lessens the bags when you use it consistently. I don't see that it does anything for the dark circle. Because I tried it, did I buy it last summer? Maybe I bought it the summer before. When I was really not sleeping and I had such puffy eyes. I think it was, no, it was last summer. It was from the allergy year. And I think it does half of what it says, but not completely. But it's pretty cheap. I think it's $6 or $7 for a bottle. It's the Ordinary. You have to kind of order them online because they only have a couple shops in the United States. But I like their stuff. I do their lowest grade chemical peel on my face like 3 or 4 times a year. And I do it from like head to hips. And it's supposed to, what it does is it exfoliates your skin so that like lotion and oils can soak in better so that you can hydrate your skin.
What is it?
One of those acid things, but it's like a really low level one.
Huh.
It does burn around your nose a little bit though.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
I've read about it. They're highly recommended by dermatologists.
Really?
I've talked to dermatologists before. Yeah. It's just kind of an uber exfoliant without tearing your skin. So it doesn't like get down to your fresh skin. It just kind of exfoliates off dead flakes and it won't come off.
Very interesting.
That's how I get my glow. Okay, this is a Korean skincare life hack. You're welcome, dads and moms, because we both need these. This doesn't want to focus. There you go. Drama shot, beauty shot. It is snail cream.
Snail cream. So
they process little snail goo, the snail slime, and they turn it into that.
It says snail repair cream. Maybe it's for snails.
Well, it's snails loving you enough to sacrifice their goo for you.
Sure. Probably not by choice.
It's a real, I highly doubt they volunteered for this one. It's a really weird consistency, and I think that I've either included this in a Patreon video for body care or in maybe one of my daily vlogs. Could be. I know I've talked about this before, because I've demoed it. And it is, I wouldn't say it's hydrating. It doesn't like soften your skin that way. It just kind of soaks in and softens it, but it doesn't make it feel like you have a lot of lotion on.
Snail cream.
It's all the rage. They have snail cream facial masks that you can do and body wraps, and it's supposed to like rejuvenate your skin and make it glow and take years off your skin. Now for the dads watching, because all you mamas know, but for the dads watching, you have to be consistent with this stuff if you want it to work. You can't use it once and be like, well, dry doesn't this work, this sucks. And part of it too is you're massaging things into your skin, you're helping with circulation. And facial massages, when done right, not aggressively, you don't want to tug on skin and cause inflammation, has been shown to really reduce the signs of aging in your skin and help with elasticity. And plus, who doesn't want a nice face rub? They're so nice.
It is nice.
But this is one of the weirder things I've ever bought. I thought, what the heck? And I think it makes you glow a little more if you use it regularly. You know? Like, yeah, I still have to put lotion on with it because it's not hydrated enough, but I don't entirely know what it does, but it does something. I can't put my finger on it. It's just this weird random substance that I'm like, I feel glowier.
Well, that's half of it right there.
It's 92% snail extract.
That's a lot.
Effectively resolving skin problems.
You can read the rest of it. But it's a good read.
Yeah. So if Lovely Biscuits, I know that some of you can read Korean. What does this say? 5 bonus points for whichever biscuit figures out what this says. Google Translate does not count. Okay. This is one of my go-tos. Rob has walked in on me using these sheet masks and run away in technology. I was laying in bed with Abraham and I had a sheet mask on. You loved it. You just like close the room.
Yeah, there's been a couple.
I love these. These things I travel with. So when I did my month in the UK and we went and did Berlin, I packed a bunch of these and then I bought a whole bunch. In fact, that was in one of my travel videos. Because I love these things. In fact, I think that I did one of the skincare videos in London on this channel, not on my other one. They're so easy, they're really lightweight, and they have enough goop in them to do at least 2 masks, sometimes more. It depends on your tolerance for goo dripping down your skin. And you can buy them all over. I buy them in a multi-pack online because they're so much cheaper. If you buy them in a multi-pack, they're like $1. You buy them individually, they're like 3 to 5. They do amazing things for your skin. My top favorite is the gold sheet masks. If you can ever find those, they're amazing. I did one in London, and it was like my skin just could breathe and glow like a dewy star. It was glorious, and I haven't been able to find a good golden sheet mask since then. So send me recommendations, leave links, or tell me brand names on which ones do you use.
They're golden.
They have like little flecks of gold in them, and they help hydrate your skin and boost it up and like renew the collagen subdermally. It's amazing. I've been looking online. I've been doing a lot of research trying to find a good one. I can't find one. So, okay, I'm gonna open this up. I'm stripping the goo off of the mask in here because they come out super gooey, like too gooey for me. It drips down your neck and it's cold, it's yucky. For me, as a sensation. So before I open it up, I always strip that goo down. Okay, and then as I'm taking this sheet mask out, I'm gonna continue to pull the goo off because otherwise. So we're doing an herbal collagen essence one. So it's got some lavender in there to reduce inflammation. And when you're having your wild parties with your sailor friends, you know, your skin can get inflamed.
That's true. It does sometimes.
It does. Sailor parties are wild, man. Get a bear rug going, you never know what's going to happen. It's dangerous. Okay. So if you don't look terrified...
It looks like a Halloween mask.
It is. This is how you frighten people.
Oh, that's the funniest thing in the world.
You have to pull the nose part down. Okay. And it's cold, so you have to be ready. It's like this weird, cold, gooey thing. You have a totally different face shape than I do. It's funny, I've never tried to put one of these on you. Okay. And then you're supposed to leave it on for at least 20 minutes, but I'll pick you up and leave it on that one if you don't want it. And then when you're done, your skin's gonna glow, and people are gonna walk up to you and say like, Rob, are you 22? Do you hang out with cougars? What's going on? Okay, and then I always rub it down my neck. For me, I always rub it then between my breasts because that's an area, if you have gone through pregnancy and breastfeeding, that you want to uber hydrate. But we weren't going to do that for Rob. Do you feel relaxed and calm?
I feel silly.
Think of spa music. Oh, I'm going to rub this on my elbows. It's another tip as I use the extra glue when I put it on my elbows. It does though, it makes your skin feel fabulous. Afterwards, it feels really weird on. And Abraham steals these off me and tries to use them. He puts them on his chest and his tummy. Yeah. And he lays in the bathtub with his belly sticking out and the used up sheet mask on him. And he goes, I feel so relaxed. Hysterical.
It's bizarre.
It is. But I use them all the time. And I use them especially when I'm traveling. Pro tip, dads and moms. Because it's a really easy thing to bring with you. It doesn't count towards your liquids ban. Woo. For me, when I fly, like my skin just dries out. I get bloody noses, and my whole body needs to be hydrated. So I gotta drink water, juice, and then do some nice face masks. You probably didn't watch on this channel, which is the cleaning channel, the lifestyle one. I did a pink peel mask where you paint it on and it dries to peel it off.
No, I did not see that.
And it got stuck in my eyebrow hair.
Oh, really?
And so I had to go to bed with it because I didn't want to pull it on my eyebrow hairs. And the next day it was still there. So I think in my travel vlogs for the next day I have like some pink goo because it just wouldn't come out. It finally did. By that night I like rolled it out of my hair. But my lesson was when they said like avoid the eye area, they should have said eyebrow. Because I just thought they meant don't get it in your eyeballs, right? Yeah. And it was, you guys also, you saw it. That was a popular vlog on here. It was the pink sheet mask or pink paint on mask, and do not get it in your hair or you will have no eyebrows left. It would be horrible. Should we time lapse this and take off your mask?
Probably.
Okay. You really can leave it on, and then you have to rub it in. So you take your sheet mask off. You can sense the skepticism about the sheet mask from him. You stick it back in and then you can reuse it because it has at least twice as much goo in here as you need. I'm going to do my feet because I have a lot of goo on my hands. And then, ta-da! Oh yeah, do you see the sparkles? Do you feel
completely rejuvenated? Yeah, absolutely.
It's fun. You're inspired. You're inspired other dads on the channel. You are welcome. And you request for self-care topics. And I thought, let's start with a dad spa day. So now you know how to relax. Lock your children out of the bathroom and tell them that you were fixing the plumbing. And then lay back and facial up. I will see you in the next vlog. Hey, thanks so much for hitting the thumbs up. Don't forget, if you have subscribed, to hit the bell button down below the video, because otherwise YouTube will not tell you that I have a new video, and you will think, where did she go? Why are there no new videos? And then you will realize, and have people email me this and go, there's like 5 videos I haven't seen that have come out. So make sure you hit that. Until the next video, I would love it if you scroll down through the description box and checked out all of our merch, all of our tees and hats that we have on there. It's a really fun thing that I get to see photos of you all wearing our hats and tees. So thank you so much, and thank you for requesting fun videos on here. I'll see you around.